Let's see how all this gear packs into the Milk and Whiskey Adventure Proof Diaper Bag. First, let's talk about all the parts of this bag, starting with the main backpack that is built to grow with your family. This has multiple compartments and pockets for storage and organization, a cooler, and a packable ground cover blanket. Next is the removable baby changing add-on, which includes additional storage space and a water-resistant and foldable changing pad. Let's start by packing the baby changing add-on. Since this is detachable, it can also be used independently when you're on the go and only need the essentials. It can also be removed once you're past the diaper phase of life. Here I pack diapers, wipes, diaper cream, sunscreen, and burp rags with plenty of room to spare. Next, let's pack the insulated and spacious cooler. This fits multiple bottles, snacks, and of course adult beverages, with an ice pack to keep everything at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. Now for the main backpack. The first thing to note is the base pocket for the ground cover and the lower zipper, which provides easy access to the cooler. The first pocket we'll pack is the Forget-Me-Not pocket, where you can pack items you need easy access to. In here I pack toys, books, a white noise machine, and of course snacks, because those are the most important thing to have easy access to. There are two separate main compartments in this backpack. Here I use the front one for all my gear, including clothes and hats for a variety of weather conditions. Next we have the felt-lined top pocket. In here I pack sunglasses, headphones, keys, wallet, passports, and chapstick. There's a separate pocket for your laptop or other electronic devices. This fits up to a 16-inch laptop plus a gaming system, iPad, Kindle, and notebook. The other main compartment has the cooler at the bottom but has plenty of space left over. In here I pack all the baby gear, including a blanket and clothing choices for all weather conditions, so you're always prepared. Lastly, there's a water bottle holder for a large size water bottle. Now we can attach the removable diaper bag add-on and our packing is complete. This backpack also includes stroller loops and external clips for little things such as a pacifier, and has multiple adjustment points to keep your gear secure through any adventure. Lastly, all the straps are ergonomic and designed for comfort. This is a backpack that can truly grow and adapt with your family for all life stages.